All right, quick message for today. We have following to nourishment. So this is a very clear message about paying attention to what you're following and your harmonic and what you perceive as truth. Okay, so this actually kind of goes hand in hand with the message I posted yesterday, and actually a lot of my messages. But so following is about tracking divine instruction, surrendered movement in harmony with source current, and anchoring receptive alignment. And nourishment is about energetic digestion and integrity, what you take in mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. And this becomes part of your field. It teaches right intake and refined transmission. So essentially the divine is really needing people to go within and feel their harmonic alignment and ask what they're following. Okay. And it literally, one of the lines says, don't follow what is true, not what is popular. Okay. So it's really easy for people to get lost in popular thoughts, projects, ideas, just because it brings attention or awe or drama sometimes. And the place that you find true alignment is through simplicity and going within and meditating. And the clearer your field is, the easier it is to find truth. Most truth is actually the middle of the road. It's very simple. It's easy to understand. If there's a lot of distortions there, it will cause some dissonance in the mind and the energy. So you're being asked to follow the simple truth and to resonate with it at an energetic level. That's how you'll know. Okay, so you sit with an energy, idea, concept, and allow yourself to harmonize with that field. How does it feel? How does that energy feel to your physical body, to your mind, to your heart? If you have a lot of triggers and distortions in your field, then it could feel terrible because those things need to be released before you can fully align with that harmonic and that bliss. So it can be somewhat confusing, but you are being asked to start refining that practice. How do you know what to follow, who to follow, and when? And tuning into the energy field so you know what truly nourishes you, because that's what we're looking at, the outcome, okay? So what truly nourishes you are things that bring healing shadows into light. There's no repression, oppression on your energy. It is pure alignment and harmonic. The purer your field is, the more you can tune into bliss frequencies within the body and the field. And you're not looking for that alone, because if you look for just bliss and just joy and lighter frequencies all the time, then the shadows will get neglected and they'll stay in your field. So those have to come up. So the more blissful you become, the deeper shadows you can clear and the easier they are to clear. So that's what is being asked of you guys. So I will read the lines here. We have changing line 4 and 5. Devotion to truth aligns the path. Follow what is true, not as what is popular. And divine alignment attracts those meant to walk with you. You lead by how you follow. So depending on what you're following right now, that is going to determine those that align with your energy, your field, and your frequency. Okay, so if you are working to bring in clients or attract a romantic partner or whatever it is you're working to lead, you're being asked to look at what you're nourishing within yourself, who and what you're following, and make sure it's in alignment with true source and true light. Okay, that's it. Sending love.